G'day guys, just walking down the path to get to Lake Tom Thumb, which I can now see past that tree there, and that's in Eaglehawk, which is a suburb of Bendigo. I'm about to flick a few lures around, try and catch a redfin before it starts raining. I reckon I've got about half an hour. I'm going to start off with this little sinking bullet lure. I think it's Fire Tiger or something like that. Let's see what I can find. Well, last time I fished here, it was a short session like this one, and I caught 2 redfin and they were both around this island. So that's why I'm focusing a lot of casts around the island at the start, but then I'm happy to walk around and have a few casts around the lake if I'm not getting any bites here. Yes! Oh, he got off! Bugger! I finally found him. I started over there near the island and I've been casting my way up around here. I finally had a hit. I think it was a little redfin. He hooked up but he got off again. I was half daydreaming, it's my fault. I probably should have struck a little bit, but anyway, where there's one redfin, there's usually more. There's a school of redfin busting up in front of me. Just got to run my lure through a few times and I should be able to hook one of them. Let's touch. Oh, they're playing with it. A lure change might be in order here because they're not taking this. They've sort of pecked at it, but they're not hooking up. Oh, they're here now. Oh, come on. There they are. Bring it in as quick as I can through that area. Oh! Oh, they're tiny. Oh, they're tiny. I just had a couple follow that one in. They're about 2 to 2.5 inches long. They're not very big at all. They're chasing it, but they're not hitting it. All right, I'm going to change lures quickly. There they are, straight in front of me. Perfect. Get on it. Yes! Lure change paid first cast. I've chucked on a tiny little bladed spinner. It's a Panther Martin. I saw the size of the fish that were chasing the other one, and this is why they were pecking it and not hooking up. I tied on a look, I don't even know exactly what it is or what colour. I do remember it's a Panther Martin bladed spinner in that colour, and that's brought the little guy undone and I'm on the board. That's the first fish on a lure I've caught in months. Come on mate, let's get you back. Oh, these tiny hooks are hard to get out though. That's the problem. Tiny little redfin. See you later, mate. Let's catch another one. Hopefully I can get a couple more before I've got to go. Got, let's say 10 or 15 minutes max. All right, where are they? Oh, 2 in a row. He might be a little bit bigger, but not too much. Yeah, he's a bit meatier at least. About an inch longer. 2 in 2 casts. The lure change has paid off. They just weren't keen on hitting the other thing. It was a bit too big for him, I think. Yeah, tiny bit bigger. See you, buddy. All right, we're on the redfin hat trick. I didn't even see him that time. I just went a long cast out like that, or as long of a cast as I can give with this tiny spinner, and then just burned it in and they jumped on it. Let's get another one. Bugger, no hat trick. Oh well, I'm bound to find him again. I'll just cast around unless I see him, and then I'll cast to that. Let's get a couple more. They're over there now. They move around, though, especially the small redfin. Whoa, that was not a redfin, that was a carp jumping out there. Small redfin. Whoa. Whoa. If they're lumps. But let's go catch another reddy. I can see him busting up over here now. Whoa, that's a decent carp too. He'd be about 70 centimeters. He's a big boy. I'll have to come back with the corn next week. There's that. Oh, just as I cast, I was able to redirect that because I saw the redfin break the surface. Oh, it wasn't spinning properly. They chased it, but they didn't hit it. It wasn't spinning. It is now. But I've missed my chance. They should still be there. There they are. Nearly fell down the hill casting, but I'll live. Come on. Surely they're still there. It was just then. No, I've missed them. They're quick little buggers. Oh no, there was a touch. There was a touch. One of them must have followed it right in. I'll just do little rings. I don't think that's them. I'll just cast back out. Hopefully they're still there. I've chased them right up the back end of this lake. There they are, over there. They keep going that way. Maybe they're seeing me and trying to get away from me. Maybe I'm spooking them. There they are. Straight to them. Oh, I had a hit. Bugger, it didn't hook up. And they're out there. Let's get it back quick. Yep, there they are. This should come straight past them. They're up at the surface, so I'm not even giving the lure time to sink. I'm just burning it in as soon as it hits the water. Oh, again. He was only just here too. Just out here. Oh, that wasn't spinning, so I stopped retrieving and then something had a snap at it. They're right here in front of me now. Come on. Oh, yes, yes. They're following. Look, 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 look. Got him. About 5 of them followed that in. Number 3. Oh, you little legend. Gave your lip a bit of a rip, mate. We'll get that sorted and we'll get you back in, eh? Thanks for coming, mate. Hopefully your brothers and sisters are still around. I want to catch a few more. Yes. Huh. Oh, something hit that as soon as it hit the water. I hadn't even turned the handle yet. He just hit it. I must have landed right in front of his face. I wasn't ready. I did strike and I got weight, but it didn't hook up fully for some reason. He got off. Oh well. They're here and they're hungry.